uZondo kudala sazana naye sasisebenza naye Legal Resources Center angizange ngibe nenkinga naye nga-appointwa ngo-1995 mina ngenziwe ijudge uZondo wayesa practice I think emva kweminyaka emithathu wa-appointwa wayijudge wangena kwi-Labour Court uZondo bavele i-Labour lokwakuyinto yakhe ngangaba nankinga noZondo ngikhumbule eshada ngangisemshadweni wakhe eXhobo sasikhona noNgcobo negeng sasebenza nabo
uNgcobo the former chief justice
Sandile sasikhona emshadweni kaZondo eXhobo kubo right indaba izovela ngo-2008 ngoMay maqala le complaint yami ngisekhaya mina ePinelands kufike umfowethu uMtimande uJerome Ngwenya owayeyijaji la eWestern Cape afika ngitshela athi ufonelwe uZondo ngoba kwakhulunywa ngami all over the media kuthiwa mina ngi-influence ama-judge ase-Constitutional Court and wonke umuntu ethi makahambe uhlophe afika uMtimande athi ufonelwe uZondo uthi uMtimande usibaro wami uZondo uthi hey umlamu wakho makahambe uyasihlaza makahambe ebhentshini
kusho uZondo esho kungwenya about you
kusho uMtimande uthi kusho uZondo kuyena ukuthi mina ufuna ngihambe ebhentshini ngoba ngiyabahlaza ufuna ngihambe yena Zondo uzokhuluma namanye ama-heads of court ngipersuade ngihambe ebhentshini waze wathi uMtimande kumina uNgwenya uzofona uZondo ngoba ngimtshelile ngithi aphinda ngifonele later sihlale naye kwami wafona nebala uZondo wamfaka espeakeni uMtimande washo exactly that what hey bengisaxoxa nawo umlamu wakho makahambe uyasiphoxa mana ebhentshini makahambe yini la yenzile uyasiphoxa ebhentshini makahambe ngizokhuluma namanye ama-heads of court ahambe. It was not long after that nga-approachwa oLanga kwathiwa ngithatha u10 million rand ngihambe ebhentshini I refused.
Ulanga is the late Pius.
Yebo Pius Langa. I was approached nganikwa kwathiwa ngizonikezwa u10 million rand mangihambe ebhentshini ngala mina.
Wonqabelana 10 million
Ifight yami is about integrity. Ngangeke ngithatha u10 million ngingenzanga lutho which warrants ukuthi ngikhishwe ebhentshini. It was about making a contribution engibelieve ukuthi namanje ngisayenza lo contribution. So uZondo ke ilapho engabona khona ukuthi mina all along bengicabanga ukuthi siyazwana kushuthi ihlekisana ehlomile ngoba ngeke ukhulume kanjalo akazange angifonele nokungifonela uZondo mina ukuqala kwalento ila engabona khona ukuthi akangithandi.